Hi everyone, I'm Ginny Webster with the Heaps Estrin team. Welcome to our new listing at 115 Donegall Drive, a spectacular detached home in the Leaside neighborhood in the highly sought after Besborough Drive School District. This renovated Tudor-inspired home has a functional floor plan of approximately 2,800 square feet of living space. It's situated on a 33 by 115 square foot lot. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a built-in garage, private drive, and parking for 2. Let's go inside and take a look. One 115 Donegall Drive offers the perfect opportunity to enjoy the Leaside lifestyle. Set on a coveted block on Donegall, on a quiet, family-friendly street just north of Parkhurst, you're only 10 minutes to the downtown core, conveniently located to the future Eglinton LRT, steps from grocery, restaurant, and stores on Bayview Avenue. Close proximity to some of the best green spaces in the city, and surrounded by top-ranked schools. For more information, please contact me directly or visit heapsestrin.com.